Hello, I am Kamalkant Panda. So now we have discussed about that 400-day plan of UPSC, how you can achieve in your success life. So we will discuss for plan next 400 days. You see that next 400 days plan. There we divided 400 days into 4 phases. In the 4 pages we set the target of finishing all important NCERT book within 400 days. So now we have approximately 100 days in our hand. This number of may differ. This number of may differ depending on our way. But hopefully you must have read NCERT in past, rights. So in this video I will tell you the minimum number of NCERT that you have to read. Also I want to tell you that this list is indicate you to there is no hard and first rule. You can use your own description while choosing your books according to your plan, and I have not mentioned NCERT only but along with NCERT there are some other states boards book also. So NCERT, in short, you can add or subtract a book using your own description according to your own plan. So without wasting a time, let's is begin. You see this page. This is a very important page. Now see that for art and culture, see that for art and culture, you see that this first number for art and culture. So for art and culture, read fine arts class 11th NCERT, and the last chapter of craft and tradition for NCERT and medieval India. Read Tamil Nadu books, Tamil Nadu board history books. These books are available in PDF format. For free, just search your Google and you will get PDF copy for, or I will provide the link below in YouTube channels also. For modern India, see, for modern India, you can read Modern India by Bipin Chandra. These books also read goes by the name Old NCERT. If these books is not available in the local shops, you can buy these books online from Amazon. Apart from this old NCERT, you can read class 12th NCERT, that is themes in Indian history, part 3, specifically the topic on Mahatma Gandhi. Now for geography, this is known as geography sections. There are some sections of geography which are divided into different parts. See, you can read class 11th and 12th NCERT. There are total 4 NCERT. If you are finding too difficult to understand geography, then you can start from class 6th NCERT. See, from class 6th NCERT, Earth or Habitat, class 7th NCERT, Our Environment, for class 8th NCERT, Resource and Development, for class 9th NCERT, Contemporary India 1, class 10th NCERT, Contemporary India 2, for class 12th 11th NCERT, Fundamental of Physical Geography, Indian Physical Environment. These are to understand geography. Then you can start from different types of NCERT of geographies will cover significant portions of agriculture and environment and economic also. So these geography NCERT are most important for Indian polity. See, for Indian polity, you can read political theory and Indian constitutions at work. Both are class 11th 12th of NCERT of political science. Now let us more on international relationship. See, international relationship and international relationship of Indian foreign policy. You can read contemporary world politics. First of all, you can read of class 11, class 12, contemporary world politics and in politics in India since independence. Now these NCERT politics in India and independence is also important for post-independence history of India. Now let us move on the economic part. This is economic part. See that there are two books are in economic part, class 11th and class 12th. You can see for post-Indian independence history of India, Indian economic development and post-Indian part, NCERT classes of economic as 11th and 12th, that is Indian economic development and class 12th macroeconomic NCERT. See, class 12th macro and microeconomic NCERT as also part of economic, which is provided by UPSC, Union Public of Civil Service Exam. So let us begin. These two NCERT are most important in economic part. For environmental of class 12, read biology of last 4 chapters, and also significant amount of environment is already done in class 6 to 12th NCERT. You have also read class 6 to 12th NCERT of class science. Next, for society and social issue, there are 3 NCERT that you have to read. That there are 3 NCERT